Okay, morning everyone again. I know it's the Easter holidays, but I am 2 days behind in the Fluent in 5 booklet, so I will do videos for the next 2 days, and I might actually just do the rest of the rapid reasoning booklet, because there'll probably be some of you that are sitting in the house bored that are enjoying keeping up with your schoolwork, or are you? Okay. Oh, I must find my pen. Where have I put the pen? There it is. Okay, right, sorry for that. Okay, so these are the questions. I'm going to write them down quickly on the board, and you can have a go by pausing the video and letting me know in the comments box how you got on, whether or not you did a different strategy to me, and how many marks you got. This one here, 2 mark question. So you've got simply 6 times 6 times 4, 8,158 times 33, you're doing a long multiplication for that, 97,946, take away mystery number, dun dun dun, equals 85,677. Question 4, should have really done this before I started filming, shouldn't I? Question 4, 9 times 3 quarters. We've got a little song to help us out for that one. And finally, number 5 is 10 12 take away 1 quarter. So you need to do a little bit of a magic trick there, a magic fractions trick. So hope you can see all that. Give it a pause if you haven't done it already, and let me know how you got on. Okay? Right, let's go through them. I'll keep the top one on the board. 6 times 6 times 4. Okay, well, we were saying you can do these in any order. I haven't really had a little look yet. So I might do, actually, I know 6 times 4 is 24. Shall I do it that way? I could do 24 times 6, or I could do 6 times 6, which is 36, and then do 36 times 4. I think I'm going to do it that way. 36 times 4. Because the answer to that part is 36, then I'm going to times the answer by the number at the end. 36 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. 4 in the box, 2 on the doorstep. 3 times 4 is 12, add the 2, 8 and 14. 144 is the answer. Now there's probably another couple of smart ways that we learn in maths to do that, but I'll let you comment if you did it a different way to me. Okay. Right, question number 2, the long one. Long multiplication, because we are timesing by more than 1 digit. So we've got 8,158, and we're timesing by, that's a big times, 33. Now I've done that quite big, so I can use my post-it note, my trusty post-it note. I'm going to cover over the tens column, and I'm just going to times this number at the top by the digit, by the number in the ones column. The unit, which is 3 in this case. So 8 times 3, which is 8, 16, 24, 4 in the box, 2 on the doorstep. 5 times 3, 15, 16, 17, because I'm adding the 2, 7 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 1 times 3 is 3, add the 1 is 4. 8 times 3, well that's 24 again, 8, 16, 24. No more maths to do. So I'm just going to start a new column. So that number is, count 3 from the end and put your little thousands comma in, 24,474. Okay, I'm finished with the units column. So I'm going to cover that over, and now I'm timesing by the number in the tens column, which is a 3. So that's 3 tens, so it stands for 30. If I put in the viz, the very important 0, that means I can just go ahead like I did the last line of calculation and get the answer, which is multiplied by 10 because it's got a 0 at the end. 8 times 3, 24. 4 in the box. Now I've run out of doorstep here, so I'm going to fly this number in the air. 2 in the sky. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 2, 16, 17. 7 in the box. Fly this one in the sky. 1 times 3 is 3. Add the 1 is 4. And 8 times 3 is 24, so I'm going to start a new column, 24. So the answer to this line of calculations is 244,740. Now all I have to do is add these two rows together and I should get the answer. Okay, 4 add 0 is 4. 7 add 4 is 11, 1 in the box, 1 on the doorstep in the next column. 7 add 4 is 11 again, add the 1 is 12, 2 in the box, 1 on the doorstep in the next column. 4 add 4 is 8, add the extra 1 is 9. 4 add 2 is 6, and 2 add nothing, or 0 is 2. So 1, 2, 3 from the end, put in my thousands comma, the answer is 269,214. I hope you can see that on the video because sometimes it's been chopped off and I don't know until I get right at the end, sorry. Okay, 2 marks if you got that right. If you made one little mistake somewhere in your calculation, you would still get 1 mark. So they're really good for picking up a lot of marks when you do your assessments. Okay, question number 3. Right, 97,946. Get ready for it. Take away mystery number. Dun, dun, dun. Equals 85,677. Now, hopefully you can remember what I always say when there's a mystery number calculation, dun, 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 is to look for where the biggest number is and work out whether or not you need a big number or do you need to try and make a smaller number. Well, it's a takeaway, so the biggest number is here at the start. We've already got the biggest number. So how am I going to use this number and this number to make a smaller number? So I'm still doing a takeaway if I need to make a small number. 97,946, take away 85,677. Now let's do it. You know my rhyme. More on top, don't stop, carry on. More on the floor, so on this line here, not next door. Okay, let's see. So more on top, don't stop. More on the floor, not next door. So I'm going to have to go next door to this number 4 and take 1 away. So there's 3 left in that column and give it to the neighbour. There you go, to make the number 16. 16, take away 7. Now I count the difference. Some people count backwards. My daughter counts backwards. I think it's easier to work out what the difference is between these two numbers. So I'm going to start from 7, the number after 7, and count up to 16. Do it with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the difference is 9. 3, take away 7. More on top, don't stop. More on the floor, knock next door. So I'm going to have to knock next door again. So I'm going to take 1 away from this 9. So there's 8 left in this column. And give it to the neighbour. Don't forget, this is now the new neighbour's number. So I'm making the number 13. 13, take away 7. Let's count the difference again. Starting from the number after 7, counting up to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The difference is 6. Okay. 8, take away 6. More on the top, don't stop. More on the floor, knock next door. So there's more on top this time, I can do it. 8, take away 6 is 2.
Hands-on running the government from the front.
Put in my little thousands, come on. 7, take away 5. More on top, don't stop again. So I've got 7, I'm taking away 5. 2 left. 9, take away 8. I've got more on the top. 9, take away 8. Keep the thumb up there, is 1. We know that, don't we? So the answer is 12,269. And of course, some people can go and check that. So if I put 12,269 in the box and I did that calculation there, I should definitely get that answer. Let me know if I've made a mistake on any of these videos. Okay.
and a tiger and 6 other big
And let me know whether or not you checked as well. Extra raffle tickets when we all get back to school.
It's thought the animal is very affected by a zookeeper.
Okay, number 4, the one people find tricky. So we've got 9 times 3 quarters equals. So the little song goes multiply by the top, divide by the bottom. So I'm going to do the multiplication first. So 9 times 3 is 27.
Around the world. We are covering all the
27 what? Well, 27 quarters.
First, the UK
carry that
Prime Minister
across.
Boris Johnson.
Now the number at the top, I'll just get rid of this line so
10 days
it
after
doesn't
being
look all
diagnosed
messy.
with the virus. Downing Street says it's a precautionary step.
27 quarters. I can divide by the bottom now because the number at the top's bigger than the number on the bottom, so it's an improper fraction. How many 4s can I fit into 27? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I can fit in, I can't get to 28. I can fit in 6. The answer is 6 whole. And what's left over? 24. 25, 26, 27. 3 left over. 3 left. 3 what? I hear you say 3 quarters. So the answer is 6 and 3 quarters. Pretty easy once you get going on those, I think. Once you understand them, they're pretty easy. Okay, and the last one.
Before agreeing that the doctor's behaviour had risked underlying
10 twelfths.
in the government's public health message.
10 12
In the United States, more than
take away 1
9,600
quarter.
people
Now that
have
looks
died.
really tricky
The country's
until you
Surgeon
realise we
General
can't do
warned
it because the
Americans
denominators are different. So let's make the denominators the same and it should be really easy. So how do I turn 4 into 12? What would I times it by? 4, 8, 12. I'd have to times it by 3. If I do that to the bottom, I must do the same to the top. So let's do the little abracadabra. What's the new fraction? I'm going to rub it out. You probably could just leave it like that and like see it mentally. I'm going to actually rub it out and write the new fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. And 4 times 3, well we know that's 12. Now it becomes really easy. 10 take away 3. Remember you take away the top or you add the top. But you don't touch the bottom once they're the same. So 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 what? Keep those the same. 7 12. And that's it for today. Let me know if I can help you with anything else. Okay, and I will upload another video tomorrow. So tell the people who you know are carrying on doing their Fluent in 5 that these videos go up, and then I'll do the rapid reasoning ones, and if you need any help with anything you can always get in touch with us at school as well, okay, and pass the message on. All right, take care, see you soon, bye.